Hello, how are you all? We are with our 18th chapter, the expansion in unit composite, price rise and hike, and consumer awareness. As you all know, we all are consumer today. To one to another extent, we are from consumer awareness. So we were on page number 153. Duties of the consumer. What are the duties? As consumers are conscious about their rights in the same way, they should show reflexes towards their responsibilities or duties also. Number one, while purchasing a commodity or service, consumers should make the correct choice at the time of purchasing a product. Consumers should purchase the product having good quality, reasonable price, guarantee or warranty, after sale services. He should purchase his goods having standard sign like BIS, ISI or AGMA. While purchasing electrical or electronic gadgets, priority should be given to purchase of standard or branded items only. So, as a consumer, we must go through the guarantee, warranty, how does it last, about the durability of the product. Number two, at the time of purchasing product from many product, choice has to be made. While choosing a product, they should have all information. They should check the label and information given in the advertisement and ensure themselves like a discreet and aware consumer. As a consumer, his decisions and behavior should be wise, intellectual, calculative and bearing common sense so that he may be protected against exploitation and cheating. As I have given example of iPhone of my brother who is working in post, that we must be aware of these all things. We should not run about the schemes and draws and these all things. Now number three, it is a duty of the consumer that his conduct or behavior towards seller or producer should be gentle and bona fide. A consumer should insist on having original bill or original receipt of items or services purchased by him. He should also insist on getting warranty card filled. Signature of seller should be there along with stamps. So all these basic things are needed. Signature, stamps, warranty, guarantee, etc. etc. Lots and lots of scopes are there. Number 5. Consumers should come together and from voluntary consumer organization or association at non-political and non-commercial level. And with the help of this organization, they should be ready to give legal fight for solution of problem related to consumers' complaint. They should ask for representation in different government committees related to consumer. So it is also the duty of consumer that he should fight against exploitation with the help of different organizations. We can fight with the companies, with the seller, but in a legal way. Consumers should make a verbal or written complaint to the officer of related department without fail. They should also take cooperation of consumer organizations and different non-profitable institutions in order to prevent or eliminate complaints related to wide interest of the consumer. So with the help of many people related to the product, related to the organization, we can fight against the consumer rights. While purchasing a product, consumer should not make any compromise with quality of product or its safety. He should always insist on purchasing a product after checking packing, rate, date of manufacture, batch number, weight, expiry date, name of producer, addresses, etc. While purchasing a product, if the consumer finds that the product is adulterated or duplicate or fake or find decrease in weight, he should immediately bring into the notice of the trader, and if the trader delays in bringing solutions, then he should give an application to authorities or consumer court asking for redressal. Thus, consumer should perform his duty as a responsible citizen. If we find any failure, any doubt, anything that less rate, date of manufacturing, expiry, many things are connected to it, must first go to the trader, and then if he denies with the organization, consumer forum, it is there, we can go there and complain about it. Consumer should purchase a product in sufficient quantity and or number only. He should save himself from purchasing unwanted and unnecessary products by giving attracted from the advertisement or by seeing others from sale. He should not waste money. So main point, we are unusing it. Without any use, what we are doing, just we are purchasing lots and lots of things. In terms of clothes also, these new generations running towards that. So while purchasing weighing scale implements of measurements, electronic instrument must be checked whether they are correct or not. A consumer should make sure whether the tool of measurement have been tested and verified by an investigation officer or not. If tools have not been certified every year, the consumer should bring it to notice of weight and measurement officer, Director of Legal Metrology and Consumer Affairs at the local level, and if required, he should complain. This is the duty of a vigilant and responsible consumer. So while weighing machines are there nowadays, the tools of 100 gram, 50 gram, these all things that our local, these hawkers are using. Even some big stores are also using this type of weighing machines. So, and it is compulsory for them to be tested every year. If you will pick up, if you will go back towards the machine too, the date is indicated there. So it's our right. If we find any fault, then we can go to the traders too, we can go to the consumer forum, we can complain about this thing, and we go. The seal of the gas cylinder should always be checked whether intact or not. Taxi or rickshaw should be boarded only after checking the zero reading of the meter. We should pay as per rate on the meter. Petrol, diesel or CNG should be filled after checking the indicator at 0000. While purchasing kerosene, one should insist on purchasing only after the foam in the measuring can has settled down completely. Weight should be done on that scale only which is hung on its stand. When scale is held in hand, there are chances of cheating. So different cheaters cheat us in different ways. While for example is given of kerosene. One, if they fill up the container, foam is being formed. Form is being formed. So unless the foam is lower down, at the bottom level, we don't have to let him to pick up the container and keep it that kerosene in our container. So lots of that things are there. Other that part is that hawkers are coming. The weight is on their hands. No, it must be tied on the string. So many things are there. A consumer should be either himself or consumer forum should complain through consumer society against the negligence in the improvement of railways. Bank, insurance, telephone or hospital services or for compensation for physical, mental and economical harm due to the lack of service. Consumers should give details of new of judgment and compensation received on local TV channel and get it published in the newspaper so that other consumer may know about injustice done by him by informing about the judgment. They may be prevented from being victimized. Thus, it is a law it is also his responsibility to bring consumer awareness and work for consumer education and participate. So while doing complaint, we can get economical, social, many things, many benefits too. Apart this type of complaint must be given in newspaper too, so that our fellow consumer, our brothers and sisters, they won't be cheated again. Now, consumers should participate in enthusiastically in different consumer awareness program, movement arranged by consumer society, decision of seminar, thus try to give a thrust to the movement of consumer protection in the society. Now, measures of consumer protection. Following 4 type measures have been undertaken for consumer protection. 3 type tribunal courts are there for how we can go, which court we have to go, which institution, which organization we have to go. That we don't know. Obviously, we don't know about that thing. So, which measures are there given by the government? There are 4 measures. Number 1 is Tribunal Court. Under National Consumer Protection Act 1986, Central Consumer Protection Council, National Consumer Commission has been set up. Similar to the State Consumer Forum has been set up at the state level. Under this commission, law for consumer protection are framed. National Consumer Disputes Commission has created the structure of the 3-tier court and framed norms for action of consumer forum or commission. Means a particular commission has been settled down, especially for the consumers in 1986. District forum, district level, which are they? Generally, there is one court in every district, which is a very important. It studies the complaint of consumer and gives compensation to the consumer against loss. Approximately 571 consumer district forum are working in our country. Please underline this thing. In this court, presently claims for compensation up to 20 lakh are filed after paying the decided fees. If the petitioner is not satisfied with the decision of district forum, he may file a complaint with the state commission within next 30 days. But before that, he has to pay either 50% amount of compensation claim or 25,000, whichever is less. So, in district level, many courts are there. There we can go and file our case and we can get compensation up to 20 lakh. The limit of giving compensation for the limit of the court is 20 lakh. And if anybody feels that no, I am not satisfied, then he or she can go to the upper level court. The what is the state commission? The approximately 35 states forums are working presently. In this court presently, claims of compensation from 20 lakhs to 1 crore are fulfilled after paying the decided fees. If the petitioner is not satisfied with the decision of the state commission, he may file a complaint with the national commission within 30 days, next 30 days. Although he has to pay either 50% of the compensation claim or 35,000, whichever is less. National Commission Forum. Compensation claim over 1 crore should be made here by paying the decided fees. This commission is a bench of 5 members. State Commission and National Commission should give the decision as early as possible or within 90 days of filing the case. If the petitioner is not satisfied with the decision of National Commission, he may file a case in Supreme Court within next 30 days. But before appealing, in the compulsory to deposit 50% of the compensation amount or 50,000, whichever is less. So there are different types of different limitations of different district level, state level and national level. Apart, they have to pay 50% of compensation. Yeah, the amount that is decided by the government. And though after going to the national forum, though he or she feels though I have to fight further, they can go to the Supreme Court of India. If that person does not comply the order given by any of the court, he should be given punishment or penalty or both of them. People below poverty line, senior citizens and handicaps are exempted from paying fees under certain conditions. They are also provided free service and a district free legal service, guidance of legal aid and advocate. Those who are below poverty line, those who are senior citizens, they don't have to pay any type of fee and they get free legal advice from district free legal service. Now, consumer society, consumer protection cell is there, a special cell made by government, like a anti-corruption cell is there, anti-corruption bureau is there. So many such type of cells. So here, consumer society, consumer protection cell. As per this, that government recognized consumer societies have been established at taluka, district, state or national level. The consumer societies or councils are non-political, non-commercial, voluntary organizations set up by the consumers. The main objective of this consumer society is to bring awareness about consumer rights and encourage them to help government to frame policies or to protect from time to time. If it keeps on reviewing provisions for consumer rights and act, it is also suggestion to the government trading need to change legislative provisions. This consumer society provides consumer education through consumer awareness programs, which provides guidance on main subjects like rights of consumer, duties, exploitations in different ways, and how to save from exploitation. These consumer societies or organizations publish monthly, bi-monthly magazine or periodicals like Grahak Suraksha, Inside the Consumer, Grahak Manch, etc. and try to bring awareness. They are helpful in eliminations of complaints of consumers. So CPC, Consumer Protection Council, it works for us to aware the consumer, to get proper right to consumer, to know the Consumer Act, to know the consumer rights, and apart it explain us with different weekly, monthly magazines and etc. books that are published connected to the consumer rights, consumer forums, consumer legal act, many things. Now, public distribution system, PDS. Under public distribution system, essential commodities of good quality are provided in fixed quantity and subsidized rate to the poor at regular interval from fair price shop. Thus, the poor consumer is saved from the exploitation in the open market from where they have to purchase a good at a high rate or low quality. And lastly, public distribution system control corrupt practices of traders. So, as we all know, ration we are getting, BPL, APL card holder, they are getting ration from fair price shops. So, they won't be cheated by the other traders too. Now, system certifying weight and measurement and measures and quality of good. For health and safety of consumer, government has set up many legal institutions which perform the task of checking the quality, quantity and purity of the product, goods and certified them. Government of India established Standard of Institution in 1947 to regulate quality. Now since 1986 it is known as BIS, Bureau of Indian Standard. Please underline this thing. The goods that meet the described standard and quality are allowed to use ISI mark, Indian Standard Item. The agriculture products like forest products, horticulture and animal products are given the mark of AGMA. Please indicate that ISI stands for the other goods that we are purchasing from the market. Apart, AG mark are given to the product of horticulture and animal product are given as AG mark. It is implemented under Agriculture Product Act on Act 1937. This scheme is run by the Directorate of Marketing and Intelligence (DMI), the Ministry of Agriculture. Government of India, which grant permission to the traders to use AG mark. If the consumer has any doubt regarding the quality of marks, he can contact the regional office of BIS. A particular AG mark is given, one type of logo, that to sells the horticulture and animal product, animal connected productive system, agriculture based system, material we can understand this thing. Now AG mark logo, even gold ornaments are given BIS marks along with purity number, that is 916, which means quality and purity of gold is generated by certain parameters. These are BIS mark. Gold number, example 916, depicts 22 carats gold. Hallmark logo is given by the central government, which shows the year of hallmark. Example, J Mills Jewelry manufactured in 2008. Logo to keep in mind while purchasing gold or ornaments. You can indicate that logo has been indicated. 916 particular symbolic system is given over there. So by this we can understand that this is a pure gold or not. Mark of FPO, food product order, is used on jam, fruit juice, fruit or vegetable packed in tin. BIS allow textile, chemical, insecticide, product of rubber, cement, electronic gadgets to use ISI mark. Woolen mark. It is given to woolen products and dress. MPO, meat processing optimizer. It is given to meat, mutton and product made from them. HACCP, hazard, analyze and critical control point. It is given to processed food. ECO. It is given to soap, detergent, paper, lubricating oil, packing material, color, chemical, power coating, battery, cosmetic goods are used in place of wood, leather and plastic products by ISI presently called BIS. So different marks are given by the government for the productivity, for the purity of the different kinds of product. Now, organization at the international level, the two international are working. Two organizations are working at the international level for standardizing of product. ISO, International Standardizations Organization. Its headquarters is in Geneva. It was established in 1947. Its main function is to provide certification of standard according to international standards, that is series of ISO 9000 is given from Environment Management System by international organization, which is certification of officer and institutions having high quality. We can just go through somewhere it is written as ISO 9000 this and that certified, and ISO 9000. So internationally that product has been certified by the officials over at the international level. Again, Codex Alimentarius Commission, CAC. This organization was set up to clarify, certify edible product. It is an international organization commission for food that in 1960 the Food and Agriculture Organization FAO and World Health Organization WHO established it. Its headquarters is located in Rome, capital of Italy. Its main function is to develop food standard guidelines and code of practice for production and international trade in food product like milk product, meat, fish, etc. The job work of contacting ISO is done by BIS in India, while Director General of Health Services contact the CAC. So, for different type of edible things, there is a different form, that is CAC, and for other there is ISO at the international level. Now, who can file a complaint where? Now, how to file and where to file and who can file? Consumer himself, central government, state government or government union territories, consumer society or company law or other prevailing laws, representative consumer on behalf of consumer on the matter in which it is the interest of all consumer, any member of the family of the person who has purchased the product or service with his permission may file a case if there is a shortage of material or service, or may lodge a complaint against laws. If the producer or trader neither find solution nor shall preparedness to find solution of the true and correct and clear the complaint, in that case consumer or his family member may file a case in local district forum, state commission, national commission. They may complain in support court office of metrology, science of weight and measurement, and consumer court, consumer society, collector of the files. The consumer can file a complaint if their item or service is faulty or deficient or is not in accordance with the agreement or prevalent law. Thus, consumer may file a case against deficiency in quality of type and purity of good, loss, weight, etc. So in terms of many things we can, not our family members can, on behalf of us, they can also file a case against the company or whatever the product makers are there. So in terms of purity, weight, many things are concerned in that thing. Now, how to file a complaint? A victim may file a complaint in simple and clear language, either type or handwriting or through email. If the victim goes to the court through lawyer, then he himself needs affidavit. Name of applicant, addresses, contact number should be there in applications. Write detailed description of complaint and give the reason for complaining clearly. Enclose copy of supportive evidence or documents related to accusations. Never give the original evidence. Enclose bill receipts of payment. If the payment has been done by check, then attach counter or give detail of check. Enclose copy of conditions mentioned by seller. Copy of advertisement, pamphlet, prospectus, complaint may be lodged in any consumer forum by submitting appropriate fee as per amount or compensation claim. Consumer will lodge a complaint in 2 years of emergency of reason of complaint. Any consumer may call on Gujarat State Helpline toll free number 1800-233 222 or national level helpline number 1800-114-114 for consumer related complaint as well as for special information about law and guidance. So many things are there to complain. How to on a simple paper also you can complain, by email or by register ready, many ways are there. But you have to give the perfect result in the form if you are having a bill. So photocopy of the bill, not to provide the original copy. Beside that, Government of India and Government of Gujarat both has given the toll-free number. We can take the guidelines before complaining from these all things, these all areas, and we can file our consumer affected case towards them. So my dear friends, we are finishing this chapter, and here about maximum course has been finished till yet. So I might think that you all might be working very improper way because of this crucial time. But anyhow, all the best for your Ecom Kasauti and all the best for your examinations. So I would like to stop here. I would like to thank you very much. God bless.